When you no longer need a package that is installed in your project, you can use the npm uninstall command to remove it. In this tutorial, we'll use the npm uninstall command to remove dependencies, learn how to uninstall globally installed modules, and use the npm prune command to clean up your node modules folder and remove any unused dependencies. To fully uninstall a package is a two-step process. You must remove the package listing from your package.json file. This is important because it prevents the package being reinstalled the next time you run npm install. Second, the actual module and its dependencies must be removed from the node modules folder. This makes sure the module is no longer accessible from your code. If you don't do both of these steps, then your package hasn't been fully removed from the project. But instead of doing this manually, you should run the npm uninstall command, which takes care of both of these steps for you. The first step to uninstall a package is to look in your package.json file and find the name of the dependency you want to remove. I'm going to uninstall a package called debug, which you can see listed under the dependencies. So I run npm uninstall debug. After running the command, the CLI will uninstall the package and print information to the terminal about how many packages were uninstalled. Even when uninstalling a single package, it's normal to see multiple packages removed. Those were the dependencies that the removed package relied on and aren't needed by any other dependencies you have installed. Now that we've uninstalled the package, if we check our package.json, you'll see that the debug dependency listing has been removed. As you can see, the debug package isn't listed under our dependencies anymore. And if we check in our node modules directory, you'll notice that the debug package isn't there either. That's it! The package has been fully uninstalled from the project. To uninstall a package which has been globally installed, we do the same thing but pass the -- global or -g flag. As you can see, the package is no longer available after being uninstalled. Another useful command for removing packages is npm prune. This is useful when your node modules folder gets out of sync from what's listed in your package.json. What it does is remove extraneous packages from your node modules folder. So it removes packages which aren't being tracked as a dependency or used by any other package. This doesn't actually update your package.json, it just removes packages from your node modules folder. But if you're using npm uninstall, you probably won't need to use npm prune because npm uninstall cleanly removes packages for us. If for some reason a package got left behind in your node modules folder after removing it from package.json, or you manually removed them yourself, npm prune will help clean up things in your node modules folder. To recap, packages must be removed from package.json and your node modules directory in order to be completely removed from your project. Using npm uninstall will remove our dependencies cleanly and accomplish both of those steps for us. If for some reason your node modules folder gets out of sync from your package.json, you can remove any extraneous packages from the node modules folder with the npm prune command.